Welcome to Tui Grow Guides. Today we'll be learning more about how to set up your veggie garden. There's all sorts of great beginner veggies and herbs to choose from. Across New Zealand, there's differences in climate and soils, along with seasonality of crops. So pick plants that are suitable for growing at the current time of year where you live. Here are a few of our favourite beginner crops for each season. For first-time gardeners, seedlings are easier to grow than seeds. Then find a sunny spot that's sheltered from the wind and easy to access for harvesting and watering. Soil is the backbone to any good garden. If you're starting fresh, use a combo of Tui sheet pellets, compost and vegetable mix to create a lasagna effect. Or if it's an existing garden, just dig in some sheet pellets and compost, then add a layer of vegetable mix. For pots and containers, simply fill with vegetable mix. First soak seedlings in Tui Organic Seaweed Plant Tonic for an extra boost and to reduce transplant shock, then reapply every 2 to 4 weeks. Your veggies and herbs need food just like you and I, so apply an all-purpose fertilizer, such as Novatec Premium, to provide the nutrients they need for up to 4 months. You can also choose a fertilizer specially blended for your crop like vegetable food. Quick tips: protect your plants from the colder weather and suppress weeds with pea straw mulch. Stop pests munching on your garden with Quash slug and snail control. As soon as your veggies look like the size in the supermarket, they're ready to be picked. And that's us for veggies. Discover more veggie garden tips at tuiproducts.co.nz and keep an eye out for our next Grow Guide.